major concerns that individuals have when they receive a message is to be sure that the message content is actually as it's expected to be, and that the source of message can be ascertained, as well as the sender of the message cannot also deny that they sent the message. Now, in order for you to achieve this, having a digital signature is one of the ways you can, or having a file signed is one of the ways you can show the recipient that the message is actually coming from you. Now, for this discourse, I'll be demonstrating how this digital signature is implemented and how you can also verify it. Now, one thing you need to note is that signing a document is only a way to verify its integrity, that everything is intact, but it doesn't necessarily secure the document, although you could add encryption when you sign a document, but it's not the core purpose of digital signatures. Now, for this demonstration, to do that, I created a Word document, and in size of the font is size 11 with some text in it, and signed the document using these commands. And after that, I set the document, but in this case, being that it's a simulated environment, I actually worked on it myself. So the file can actually be sent via email, because you are not necessarily talking about confidentiality of the document when dealing with digital signatures, but you're just only dealing with the integrity of the document, so it can be shared publicly. Now, when the file is received, you add the public key to your keyring, and then you issue these commands to verify the document. Either of these ones would work depending if it's a detached document or not. And these are the outputs you get, which indicates that the signature is fine, and it also shows who the document is coming from, or who signed the document. And this is the part that deals with the non-repudiation. Now, we would also simulate a situation where the file has been altered. Now, in this case, the font size is just increased a little bit, and the text and everything remains the same. When this file is saved and sent, and then verified with the same signature document, you could see that it says that it's a bad signature, although it's also affirming that the signature document is coming from this particular sender. So we would also demonstrate this for a downloaded software. In this case, we're using Putty, and then we added the public key to our keyring, then did a verification on the installation file that was downloaded, and you can see that it verifies that it's okay, although it's saying that the signature has expired because it has a validity period. Now, we also simulated putting a wrong document, and as you can see, it shows that it's a bad signature based on the tests done with the particular file, which is the wrong installation file. And these are the references that were used in the course of coming up with this demonstration. Thank you very much.